Hey everyone, Bobby here, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about TikTok Mastery being free now. Now, this used to be 99 bucks every 3 months, $49 a month. I even launched it for like 49 bucks live at one point. But the reason I'm switching away and like moving this towards free is because I'm really just focusing on the Discord. So I actually have this question that I posed to my Facebook group back in December of whether or not I should make this free. And I did get some people saying that, because they paid for it and all, but they're really just paying for support, right? And what I realized is I don't really like this two-tier pricing model because I have a Discord available and I have the Facebook group. And I kind of thought about this, and honestly, like ever since we've had all these massive changes, which by the way I have addressed and I'm updating this still as I go, I've kind of realized that I think just giving this away for free makes the most sense because the biggest value really isn't information. Like it helps to an extent, but it's really execution ability. And like I said, like having information for free doesn't really mean you're going to make money off of it, like unless you actually act on it, right? So the reason I'm pivoting over is honestly, my Discord is where everything's at the end of the day anyway. And I'm not saying that it's like a knowledge block or gatekeeping, but when I've launched the Discord and the Facebook group at the same time for support, like I said, I've noticed everyone just wants to be on Discord because I have my sound script available. I actually spend more time with people on Discord than Facebook because Facebook just isn't that great of a platform to learn, to build a community around because it's too slow. There's no real time, right? And I just find more value in Discord. A lot of people just seem to prefer Discord over the Facebook group. It's really easy, guys. So anyhow, I've decided to make this free. Now, if you signed up in the last 3 months and you paid for a subscription, go ahead and message me on Facebook because I am going to give you a 2-month free membership to my Discord for free just for the inconvenience because of the transition, right? So I didn't mention this back in December. Like if I was to make the course free, anyone that signed up with the subscription price, when I switched this subscription back in like November, I'll give you guys like 2 months free on Discord. I just find this to be a lot more valuable because right now on Facebook, it seems like not a lot of people are interacting as much as it used to because like a lot of people I think have not been as focused on it because of algo changes. But TikTok still works, guys. Like we're getting so many views on TikTok still. Like it's absolutely mind-boggling. In fact, I actually posted this here, and I posted this. Like, look, this is a sound that I just posted recently. Look, 40K, 34K, 28K, 14K, or almost 15, 6K. Like we're still getting views on TikTok, but it's just a lot of people just they're still struggling, right? Because they have like hook issues, format issues. They're not using the right sounds. They're not posting at the right times. Like they have a lot of problems. And I think, look, TikTok still works really well. So, like I said, guys, course is free. I would, hopefully if you guys can, let other people know because this is such a high value product. Like I don't know why in anyone's right mind they'd give it for free. But the reason I'm doing this is because making 99 bucks every 3 months or $49 a month, like it doesn't really make a difference to me in a way. There's not even that many. I actually didn't even make that much money off of this anyway. Like all the money I made with the course literally went towards testing more things for TikTok to help you guys. I literally made no profit at all with the program. I ended up pulling in like I think like $25,000 with the course, and all of that was spent on more phones, testing, staff, getting like scripts together, Discord, like basically like I kept none of the money. I literally just put it back in to get better and better with TikTok and get better results, right? So we have the sound tracking system now on Discord. So if you guys, like I said, the whole pivot really is to the Discord because I feel like that's where people get a lot of things done. Like people are getting more results by spending time, like actually implementing, right? And I just don't really see that right now with the Facebook group because a lot of people are kind of like on and off, right? So again, I think Discord is the community I just want to focus building. I'll still have the Facebook group up for people, but it's going to be more like a forum group instead. Like I'm still going to spend time in it, of course. But if you guys want to spend the most time with me, like I'm literally on Discord like half the day. So yeah, like I said, guys, for those of you guys who've been waiting and, contemplating if this is right for you, which by the way, this was only $99 for 3 months. Like if you can't make $100 back in 3 months, like like that's like $1 a day. Like, come on, like if you can't make $1 a day publishing, you got a lot more problems that you're gonna have to like fix because I mean, look, like any TikTok you post on TikTok, even if you get like 300 views, like you should be able to get at least one sale, right? So hope you guys have an amazing week. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys. Check it out. Last thing, I guess, is like this is pretty much where the course is like once you sign up, like you get this is printable by the way. So like I said, all my stocks here, guys, for free. I still have a lot of updates to do here, but when you sign up, just go to the replay and go to replay number 4, like and 3. Like I haven't added these updates like into the actual document, but if you want to check it out, like they're over here. All right, guys, thank you for sticking around. I don't mean to end this in an awkward way, but I mean it's like 6 in the morning, so yeah, catch you guys later. Cheers.